Salazar with JD Alliance Group. This is what we've done to this concrete boom pump, 32-meter Schwing for sale. Check it out. Harold, so what have we done to this boom pump? Can we go into a little bit of detail? Not too much, because I know we changed absolutely pretty much everything on this truck, but so far that you can remember, what we've done to it.
Okay, so just starting from the S to the head, we got the new pipe, as you can see, new LED lights all the way around, stop, turn, reverse. Inside the hopper you got a new transition, new agitator blades. This is all high wear stuff.
So we got carbide stuff.
Correct.
So carbide, as you guys know, how much more is that compared to regular steel? Double. But also you get more than double life, right? So we replaced the agitator bearings, and also you mentioned that you installed something for the wireless remote control to control your agitator. What was that?
Correct. So you got the new style full reverse valve on the remote box, and it works on the hopper too. So
you can control the agitator without having to come back to the truck. That's a pretty nice, very nice little feature. And then what else we got here?
Your new style greasing. So everything greases from one manifold.
Right.
Computer box for a CPC.
Okay. And new E-stops.
Correct. All the E-stops are brand new. For the switch over to do the piston cups is all brand new. Toggle switches.
Yeah, I see that.
New the material cylinders.
Oh, the material cylinders are new?
Brand new. Although
let's take a look at that.
Are rebuilt.
The what? I'm sorry?
Gift cylinders are rebuilt.
So you got new seals on the differential cylinders.
In chrome.
Oh wow. Real nice. Real nice.
Brand new box and lids.
Right. You got the new box there and the new material cylinders. Those are new from the factory.
New from the factory. Correct.
Beautiful. What else have you done?
All the hand valves have been rebuilt.
So
you can see.
All of this has been rebuilt.
Correct.
How about the main super expensive hand valve in the front?
The APITECH hand valve for the boom is all rebuilt and brand new.
Oh really?
This is new trader valve, new pretension valve. Also the servos that make the boom go up and down are brand new.
Okay, so I'll take a look at that real quick. So here's what he's talking about, guys. This super expensive. How much is one of these brand new, man?
I think they remember they were $11,000.
$11,000. Yeah, it's pretty expensive stuff. So as you guys can see, all the pipe is all brand new clamps, brand new seals, every single pipe, including the discharge hose. It's brand new too. What do you do here? I see the forward reverse. This is what you were saying earlier, right?
Correct.
That you replace?
This is to do the piston cups.
Okay.
You switch it over and you got forward and reverse.
Got you. Man, she is clean. I don't see a drop of oil anywhere. Up here, I see some nice little features. You put some LED lights?
LED lights, correct, all the way around.
All the way around. Pretty cool. All right. Also, how about this? I see a chrome exhaust pipe exhaust cover, and good looking exhaust pipe. What do you change here? I remember we replaced that.
Yeah, there's a little bit of something about that. Well, it's got actually a brand new engine in it.
It's got a brand new engine.
Brand new engine. You can believe that. It's a brand new gray motor, but it's still brand new. Brand new exhaust, brand new air conditioning. It's going to have, you name it, it's been rebuilt. The front end's been rebuilt. The sway bar, kingpins in the reverse, on the back bogies.
Right.
New springs, new shackles, new cable box.
Wow. So what hasn't been touched on this thing?
Oh, not much at all.
All right, so you're saying in the rear end here, we changed all this walking beams, all this stuff's been replaced.
Correct.
We got all this brand new tires, and look at those gorgeous shiny rims. Those go nice with a Harley Davidson or something like that.
Brand new pad isolators.
Pad isolators, right? Those are brand new. Also, I see these are looking good. Are these brand new?
Yeah, brand new hand valves out of a 34 meter.
Out of a 34 meter. Got you. Beautiful, beautiful.
Redesigned.
Nice. So you say the engine is brand new.
Brand new. It's brand new. Real low hours. Out of another Mack motor. It's a gray motor. I don't remember the year.
Right.
But it's got low hours on it. I mean, it might as well be brand new.
Right. And they rebuilt. I remember we paid, I think it was $25,000 for it. We paid $25,000 for it, and that thing, they basically rebuilt the whole thing inside. All of it. All the guts are brand new.
Yeah. This is more than in-frame rebuild. Everything, the heads, the block, everything's been redone.
Yeah. Now I see something nice and new looking over here. What's this? What we got here? Expensive stable box. I do remember the bill. Oh, you got new hydraulic pumps on this thing too? New hydraulic pumps. Ah man, you can eat out of this thing. Look at this. Super clean.
Original left on this piece of equipment,
Unfortunately. Well, fortunately for those of you who want it. Look at this thing, man. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. Now you say you replaced the pumps. How many pumps this machine has?
So it's got a 116, a 130 backed up, and then the boom pump and the agitator pump.
So you replaced all those?
All four.
Man, now I remember why my wallet kept hurting every time. Every time I kept just hundreds of thousands of dollars on this thing. Hundreds of thousands. This is beautiful, man.
I take a trip to Hawaii, but then after that was...
Yeah, no, I remember. No more Hawaii for us. Yeah, no more many things, I tell you. Now, as far as the cab, have you done anything to the cab, the front? I remember buying, and I'm sorry if I'm not exact with everything that I'm saying, is because we had this pump for a couple of years. We've been working on it slowly, little by little, to rebuild it to this condition. So that's why he knows better than me.
We had to pull the top deck off. It was, bent previous, so we put the brand new windows, the top deck. If you want to look in there, we put new ceiling, acoustic. It's got a new head box.
Oh, looks better than my car.
Yeah, it's all brand new.
God damn. Look at this thing.
New gauges.
It comes with that drone?
That's extra.
$800. Beautiful, man. And I see all tires. Are they brand new?
Brand new.
Ooh.
Not regrouped, all new.
Brand new. What's the deal with these rims? Are they new or what? Huh.
Close. For the guys that spent money on it, they should be brand new.
Okay, it comes with the new batteries, everything in there, all that good stuff. Man, and you also got the hand valve on this side, I see.
Yeah.
So brand new hand valves on both sides. So if we could safely say that this machine has been fully reconditioned. You got new pumps, new stable box, or would you call that a transmission?
Correct.
Yeah, right? It's a stable box, it's a transmission. You got all new work parts and absolutely everything, starting from the little bitty kidney seal all the way to the front, which are the material cylinders. tires are done, the kingpins are done, rear ends are done. I mean, we painted it. It's got brand new boom system. It's got brand new electrical valves. What's used in it?
Not much. Not worth mentioning, I guess.
Right.
It'd be,
the chassis.
yeah, the frame is probably the only original part on it.
Jesus, this
Everything
thing
else got ripped out of it.
This thing is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Now,
Fenders.
new fenders, right? Look at this thing. Aluminum fenders too. Aluminum fenders.
Yeah, all the upgrades.
Now, why would?
Even got new pipe for that rod out for the.
Oh, nice. Yeah. I do remember there were just hoses. I remember back in the day when this thing just came to us.
And they just throw them away.
Beautiful. And I see you put a lot of new hoses on all this machine. I mean, all of these are brand new.
Yeah, a lot of new hoses.
Very nice.
And then we sandblasted it and had to put a lot more back on.
That's right. I do remember that.
It's always fun.
Yeah. Now, why would you recommend somebody to buy something like this versus, say, a boom pump from Schwing, a brand new one? You know, a brand new one of this is, I don't know, $500 and some thousand.
Yeah. So you're somewhere almost, you're probably half or maybe a little past half, and then you've already got the bugs worked out of it already. So it's kind of a no-brainer. Got you.
Now, some might argue that, hey, shit, I don't have the vector system on this thing, right? It doesn't have. It is proportional. It's not a black and white, so it's proportional. It's a gray system, but you don't have the vector.
Correct. That would be the only downfall, other than CPC. The CPC2's been out for, they were out for probably 5 or 6 good years. They're pretty self-sufficient. I mean, nothing bad with them. Just the vector tells you a little bit more.
It gives you more information because it's a little more advanced. But overall, would you feel confident going out and pump concrete? I mean, you've been pumping concrete for a while.
Oh yeah, I love 32 meters. I love the CPC too. They're pretty, of course I'm a mechanic, so they're easier for me to understand. But
gotcha.
Other than that, yeah, they're really nice.
All right, well, this is a masterpiece.
Yeah.
Basically done all by you.
Yeah, pretty much.
You did a great job, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. To continue seeing more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can just go right here on this link to our website, liveequipment.com, for a complete list of equipment available for sale. Or just keep navigating to our channel. Have a great day.